Hey guys, I want to share some fun experience with you today. I was at Shenzhen Talent Park and this is what I saw. Can you believe this? They are doing the delivery of food with drums here. It's pretty amazing. Look. There's one. There's another one. Okay, that's another one's coming. Non-stop food delivery.
不是，我以为当鸡头鱼。
外卖。
哦，又来了，你看。
再来一个。香饼，香辣，然后折叠成点心，这有点然后呢？啊，这样子。哦，这样谢谢。好。OK， 好。平衡一点一点。再开始，真的有人。你这个不戴上口罩是对。
Those are real bubble teas. I thought it's only a drill or something. Those are real stuff. You can really order a bubble tea with a drum delivery. Absolutely amazing. This is the first time I see using drum to deliver bubble tea. You know, I saw from the television they deliver those e-commerce items, but not bubble teas and food. But now it's happening in China. It's really amazing. The funny thing is, after I deliver the tea, the drum just disappear in the sky. I cannot trace them. It's really worth to come here today. This is my first time to see a drum deliver food to I don't know, the station, the takeaway station there. It's really amazing, this place. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hkmytravel, or visit our website, hkmytravel.com. Thank you and see you next time.